Hey, what's up guys? It's Zach from Wired Customs. I was in the middle of shooting a video of me taking apart the axle right there. I noticed I was running low on gas on the torch, so I called up my gas shop, and apparently they're closed because of everything that's going on right now. So I decided instead of to keep torching, use the rest of my gas on the axle, which the axle is going to take a lot of gas. I'm going to keep taking apart the block. So now I want to switch over to working on the block. So here we go.
Okay, I had the C-clip break when I was trying to pull it out. It broke off and it was stuck up in here. There was no way I was getting that out. So what I did instead was cut the springs out of the way. I cut the valve, pulled the valve out of the top, then I drove this back down into the block and pulled it out. So I had one successful one, the other two unsuccessful. This one was unsuccessful. Sometimes it's how it goes. You try to do everything perfect, listen to all the old timers exactly of everything they say, still just doesn't go right sometimes. So the struggles is real on these flatheads, but they're a labor of love, and I love them. I love them to death.
In order to get that C-clip out, that's around the valve guide, I'm going to cut the head of the valve off, hammer the valve guide down, get the C-clip out, then hopefully either pry it out, pry it down, whichever way it comes. I just don't want to pry it up with that C-clip. Fell right in my bucket. I think I stuck that valve. That's touching the lifter. I can hit the guide here.
3 weeks later, many months later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So far, every single valve has caught me on the way out, except for 2 of them. One was on this side from a previous video, and I'm about to do this other one. Hopefully, I can show you the perfect way that it's supposed to come out.
Maybe not. This is what happens when you speak too soon. It felt good until this point. Nope. Every single one's gonna fuck me. Keeper broke up.
So that's gonna do it for me for today. Seemed like I had one of those days where everything was just fighting me. Nothing wanted to come out the way it should. Nothing came out easy today. Kind of bounced around a little bit with the coronavirus messing up my groove. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Please leave a comment down in the comment section what you'd like to see. Thank you.